Hi there! Today I'm making an easy cake with wild strawberry. These flavorful little berries are perfect for any sweet treat. This cake is soft, moist and tender, an ideal dessert for any time of day. It's simple, comes together quickly and requires very little effort. Mix to combine the dry ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor and pinch of salt. In a mixing bowl, combine 3 medium eggs and 2/3 cup of boiled granulated sugar. Beat them together on high speed for about 2 to 5 minutes until thick and fluffy. Then gently fill 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of sour cream and mix on low speed for about 1 minute. Gradually add the dry ingredients and continue mixing on low for another 2 minutes until everything is well combined. At the end, add wild strawberries to the bottom. I am using 8-inch cake pan greased and dusted with flour and lined with parchment paper. Put the butter into the prepared cake pan. Bake in preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes until the thick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then transfer it to a bowl rack to cool completely. Now, let's make the cream cheese frosting. Whisk together half cup of chilled heavy cream, half cup of cream cheese, half cup of powdered sugar and teaspoon of vanilla flavor until the cream is stiff and holds its shape. Spread cream cheese frosting over the cooled cake. For decoration, add some wild strawberries on top. And that's it! Your wild strawberry cake is ready to serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching.